My heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to pause the video and subscribe. And then if you're a regular, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title of the video and by the look that I have on today, I am doing a chit chat simple makeup day-to-day look, like while going to school. So this is how I usually look on a daily basis. No, not on a daily basis, on like a Monday and Friday. So this is how I get all glammed up. This is me. I don't apply any eyeshadow, I don't contour that much, I don't do a full face beat. It depends if maybe whether on that Friday or on that Monday I want to do like a whole glam up look where I know I'm going to be wearing heels and stuff like that. Like right now I'm just wearing a tee, a pair of jeans and some sneakers. So I'm going to campus. I'm already late, so let's just jump right into the video because Morgal is very late and she has to go to school. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So hey guys, I hope you guys can see me properly. Like, say to you, my morning today, it's just so terrible. Like I feel like dead, like I haven't eaten and stuff like that. So but anyways, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna color correct, even though it's like a simple everyday makeup look that I always wear to school. Not always, like I never wear makeup like always, but it's just that, yeah. But anyways, so I'm gonna color correct and I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC50. I know it's like way too dark for me, but sorry, it's not. You guys have been doing, like, how's it, how's everything, how's school? I know that school for me is draining. It's a lot. It's a lot, I'm telling you, it's a lot. Really, it really is a lot, hey? Like this week, you know, like this semester now, I usually have class from Monday to Thursday, and then when I have class like the whole week, it just becomes so draining. Like by Wednesday already I'm tired, like I'm super out of it, like I'm over it, I'm over the week. So today I'm even late, like I'm a whole hour late. Can you imagine? Well, I'm gonna be 2 hours late, but at least I'm going to school, right? The thing that I wanted to talk about, forgot to tell you, okay guys, so I did my brows. But anyways, I already did my brows. Like the whole doing of the brows thing for me, it genuinely takes like close to half an hour. So but if you guys want to see like how I do my brows, then please just comment. And please guys, please do comment down below and leave any suggestions or comment about the video, if whether you liked it or not, or if whether you want me to improve on something or not. But anyways, the foundations that I'll be using, it's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC 44.5, right, which is way too light for me. And then also the Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know if you guys can see it, the Maybelline Fit Me, right, and the MAC Studio Fix, right. So I'm gonna mix those up together. because I usually do that. Like, I don't know why I picked out, well, actually my friend bought this for me, but then I think I told her like the wrong color. But anyways, I like it, right? It's a nice foundation, but I think the next time I need to swatch at the store. You know, I don't like this bombarding thing. I'm just gonna call it that. I don't like it. Like, all these foundations, like, I like the pump. The pump is much better, because my previous foundation, oh, I need to buy that one again because I loved the pump. Then the next thing, I'm gonna mix those two together, those two shades together, because I used to love that foundation. It was so good on me. It even had this serum that would like make your skin like feel softer when you're applying your foundation. How the hell can I forget? Guys, I forgot to put my primer. But anyways, if you did like a good skincare routine, then you don't need primer. I usually forget sometimes putting on primer, but anyways. Oh yeah, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the outlook of the channel, what I'm going to be changing. So I noticed that, because where I stay, right, like Cambodia, right, like most of the people don't watch like makeup tutorials and stuff like that. So they watch things like vlogs. So now I'm gonna be, sorry guys, I'm gonna keep on forgetting, but anyways, now I'm gonna blend out the foundation. So now they like things more of like vlogs and other things, other videos, if you know what I'm saying. And the people that I'm talking about here, it's mostly, yeah, also some girls and mostly guys as well. So I thought, you know what, I'm actually gonna switch up my channel, because the whole point of having a YouTube channel is to satisfy your subscribers and to satisfy your viewers as well, right? So the new things that I'm gonna incorporate in the videos, in my videos, is eating with Lucy, which is basically I'm gonna be going throughout or going to every restaurant or nice chill time place in PE and like do a review about their menus or their food or the vibe there and stuff like that. And then obviously maybe I'll do it like once or twice, or maybe once a week. And then I don't know, I'm still trying to figure that out, right? Like I'm still trying to figure that out, how I'm gonna do it. But I already have the idea. Like I know which restaurants that I want to go to and stuff like that, which restaurants I want to review first. So yeah, that's that. And then I remember I remember in the beginning of the year I said, or in the beginning of the year or last year, I said I would do a healthy Tuesday 101. And then I posted one video just like showing you the shorts of what I'll be doing, and then I never did that thing again. But then I'm thinking of bringing that back, since I'm on this whole losing weight, preparing for the summer body type of thing, and I usually go to the gym like almost each and every day. So I was thinking, why not film that? Why not give you guys healthy tips of how to take care of your body, or what to eat if you're on a diet, what to cut out, what not to cut out, and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be doing that. I don't know if my foundation is coming out right. Yeah, so I will be doing that. And then what else? Oh yeah, and then more vlogs. But then I'm still I'm still thinking about what vlogs am I gonna do, because guys, my life is boring. If it's not schoolwork, then I'm editing videos for YouTube. But then we usually do have like some campus events like here and there, so maybe I will vlog on those. I know that most people complain about whether my videos are too long or I'm doing them about makeup, but I feel like, guys, I haven't been doing makeup in a while. Excuse me, I haven't been doing makeup in a while. Hey, yeah, guys, this is like a simple, like, when I go to school, sorry, I just have to answer this. When I go to school, I don't do that much. Like, it depends on that day, what day it is. I don't really do that much. So now I'm gonna apply my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Pearls, right? I really don't do that much. I don't even contour, because I don't contour, but I apply highlight.
My heart would never.
Guys, like, I am late, and I know that this bus is gonna leave me.
Disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to.
Because I like to glow, because it's a Friday, so I need to glow.
Blow me down.
Yeah, I feel like I'm fine, but let me just apply some contouring nyana here and there, nyana, if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying. What I'm saying. Okay, so I am using my beauty treats, right? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm using my beauty treats palette, face powder palette to contour, and I'm gonna try out this shade. I'm using the shade right here. Ooh, it really is a Friday, so I'm using that shade just to contour first, just to give your skin some definition, just to give it structure, nyana, just some structure. Ooh. Guys, I'm blind, like, really, this light, it's too bright to my face, but I like it. It's too bright, but I like it. I like it, y'all. I like it. Because I was supposed to contour and then apply highlight, but guys, I'm late. I don't have time to think about things properly, eh? So now I'm gonna apply my mascara. What is that mirror? I'm gonna apply my mascara. My mascara guys, hey, I have all the time in the world, hey? Yet here I am. I'm so late for class. Like, this chit chat video, it just went the other direction, because I was meant to talk about what I'm gonna change on my channel. Oh, and I'm using, guys, sorry, I'm using my Essence Volume Stylus mascararizer. This is what I call my mascara, guys. Hey, I'm another human being. God damn. Nah. Seriously, guys. Oh, by the way, if you don't like the outlook of my channel, like if you don't like what I'm posting, or if you feel like the content that I'm producing is like too much for you, then you do yourself a favor, boo-boo. Don't just subscribe, but don't watch my content. Like, if you're gonna criticize me, like, from the back, or if you're gonna DM me and send me DMs or tell me that, no, I think what you're putting out is inappropriate and stuff like that, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Superstay Setting Spray 24 hours. gloss, it says. So you need to shake. The thing about the setting spray is that you need to shake it. Yeah, so you need to shake it like really well and then spray. Oh, I am drinking. I'm gonna apply lip gloss. We apply lip gloss when you're going to school. Or let me just, yeah, I'll see it. It's either I'm gonna apply lip gloss or some liquid lipstick. Let me see. I'm coming back. I'll be back. So yeah, you guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. As much as I was blabbing and talking nonsense, but yeah, that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.